जैन भाऊ.
जैन कैसे आप सब लोग?
एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास भाऊ.
अनिल सर एक और. अनिल सर, मयंक सर.
और थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए.
मयंक सर, अनिल सर.
और आगे हो?
हाँ सेंटर में.
भाऊ सेंटर में सेंटर. बस परफेक्ट भाऊ एकदम.
एक साथ में से वाह भाई.
भाऊ सोलो करते हैं ना.
सोलो.
हो गया भाऊ बुड्ढा हो गया अभी क्या है?
और थोड़ा आगे.
ये बिग
बस.
बॉस
देख रहे ना भाई.
मेरे को भाषण देने नहीं आता है. थैंक यू.
Looks fantastic. The place behind the hill, it's quite a fascinating place in Mumbai, and they've got wonderful cuisine. I think they'll deliver the best service probably in Powai. So I feel this place will do wonders.
So what about what kind of music are you going to hear tonight?
I'll be playing a lot of Bollywood commercial music, a lot of hip hop and R&B as well. So a mix of all the genres, depending on how the crowd is.
What wishes would you like to give to Orange?
I wish Team Orange Mint all the very best, and thank you for having me for this launch. Thank you Dark Square Entertainment and Utkarsh, and thank you Parul so much. Thank you.
नहीं पहले उनका दे. मयंक सर, ये भाई पहले विजुअल दे दो फिर मैं फोटो खींचूंगा.
सब इधर शिफ्ट हो जाओ थोड़ा.
हाँ मेरा.
Kaushal, you can do pictures for you guys.
We'll do pictures first. सर एक काम करो.
अच्छा लग रहा है पहले बोल देना. पार्टी कलर.
Thank you. Give us one more. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm going to start. You introduce and begin. Okay?
Sorry?
And I'm going to talk. Don't look at me. Look at the camera.
No problem.
The center.
Where is
okay?
the camera?
Here. Just look at the center.
This one.
All cameras.
Just step forward. So congratulations, Orange Mint in Powai. What do you have to say?
So my name is Mayank Saraf, and
I'm Anil Singh.
and we both have started this brand known as Orange Mint 6 years back. So we started with our first branch in Thane, then we expanded to Vashi, Chembur, and now we have brought this brand in Powai.
So what's special about Orange?
Orange Mint is something that has an entire package. We have come up with an ambience that is for, like, not just for the party going crowd, but for the daily chill scenes also. We have, like, during afternoons we have a good afternoon vibe, and for people to kick back and relax during the night, we have a good party scene as well. So we come as a package. That is what we bring with Orange Mint.
Talking about the food and cocktails, what is the pick?
So in food, I would suggest that go for our Mexican, Italian, and Indian dishes. We serve Chinese as well, but Italian is a must try at our place with Indian to go. And in cocktails, we have a lot of variety of cocktails that we are offering, especially in LITs, that we have more than 10 varieties of long and iced teas. That is really rare in any other places. And we are going to come up with molecular cocktails as well.
We have a good range of infused cocktails as well. So anyone who want to try infused cocktails should kick back, come here and try it anytime.
Every place will have even a lovely location like this on a hill, which is very rare to find in Bombay. So what went on, keeping the name of the place is Orange?
Oh, it's a lovely, funny story actually. So arrangement as we can talk about shisha. Right?
Shisha, herbal.
So we are going to serve herbal shisha as well. So the funny story about arrangement is like we both are best friends since like we are together since probably first grade. So but in college we used to do quite a bit of shisha. So we used to do arrangement. So that's how the name came into place.
All the best and may you have many more.
Thank you very
so
much. Thank you very
Bandra
much.
and Juhu probably next.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you. Welcome. Ma'am. So just give me one more picture. You're not smiling. Just give me one smiling one.
Thank you very much.
That's the Thank you very much. Let's do a picture together first.
So you can just come closer. Thank you. Thank you.
Please.
Both of you together. Okay. Thank you. Ajay sir, एक solo picture. Thank you.
आइए जी
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे ऑरेंज फिल्म के लॉन्च पे आया है?
See, the energy is very good, the vibration is fantastic, and the God is kind that it's raining. So I can say the congratulations to the owners who are owning this place. And yes, of course, the clubs and the kind of places, now it's time, need of time to be opened, because we have already faced a long pandemic. So good places are always welcome, and this part of Mumbai especially. And I can say, yeah, of course, all the best to them, Orange Mint.
I would congratulate them. That's it. Well, thank you. Thanks.
स्वाति का क्या? नहीं रुका। हाँ, उत्कर्ष?
Thank you.
चलिए ready? आज आप
ये
ऑरेंज
निकाल दो ना
नहीं ऑरेंज मिल्क के लॉन्च में आए आप आज क्या कहना चाहेंगे कैसी लगी जगह
बहुत अच्छा जगह है और डिसेंट जगह है। मुंबई में ऐसा कम मिलता है देखने के लिए जगह। बहुत सारी जगह है, उसमें से ये भी एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे क्राउड भी अच्छा है, डिसेंट क्राउड है। अच्छा लगा इधर आके।
कोई क्वेश्चन
आफ्टर कोविड आप यहाँ पर आए कैसा महसूस लगा
तू क्यों आया पहला वो बता मेरे को।
आप आए इसलिए
कोविड क्या अच्छा होता है?
कोविड के बाद काफी लोग फ्रस्ट्रेशन में रहे डिप्रेशन
मैं नहीं था फ्रस्ट्रेशन में, मैंने मास्क भी नहीं पहना जब से कोविड चालू हो गया। ऊपर वाले का शुक्र है, कुछ नहीं, अच्छा है, सब ठीक है। हाँ आगे बोल।
डांस करने के लिए आप कितना मतलब एक्स्ट्रा नाइट लाइफ
मेरे को डांस भी आता नहीं, कभी देखा है क्या डांस करते? हाँ डांस नहीं आता है पर अच्छा लगता है। तुम लोग डांस करेगा ना, मैं देखेगा, अच्छा लगेगा।
और इन दिनों आपकी काफी सोशल मीडिया में काफी फेमस हो रहे हैं लगातार कई सारे मुद्दे पर आपने बात की स्टैफ के मुद्दे में बात की अनिल कपूर के मुद्दे पे बात की क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस तरह के आर्मी के बारे में गलत तरीके से सेलिब्रिटीज है वो लगातार कोई आप क्या कहते हैं?
तो ये चीज़ें सिर्फ क्या मेरे को दिखती है, आप मीडिया वालों को दिखती नहीं क्या? कोई जिसको अपन ने सर पे बिठाया उन लोग अगर अपने धर्म के बारे में गलत पिक्चर बनाएगा, आर्मी वालों को गलत बताएगा, तो उनकी क्या पूजा करेगा मैं? फिर झाड़ू डाल के मोर बनाएगा ना उन लोग को, तो बना रहा हूँ मैं। जिसको मेरे खिलाफ बात करना है, खिलाफ कुछ दिखाना है दिखाओ, जिसको मेरा साथ देना है वो साथ दो, और जो मेरे देश के खिलाफ बात करेगा उसकी तो बजाऊंगा मैं, कोई भी रहने दो। बिग बॉस था ये टाइम? हाँ, मालूम नहीं है मेरे को, कोई बताया नहीं है कि बिग बॉस चालू हो गया करके।
Anything else, ma'am?
हो गया?
Thank you, Bob.
चलो जय हिंद। जय हिंद।
Congratulations on the launch of your Orange Mint today. What do you have to say?
Thank you, Paul. Thank you so much thank you for being the part of it. I just wanted to say it's a huge collaboration with Orange Mint for its 4 branches. This is the 4th branch, Powai. I'm glad I've been a part of it.
Talking about the business getting back to normal in
It's the COVID situation, you know, we were being same kind of feeling that now it has been back to business. We'll roll again.
what are the necessary precautions that you're taking now?
All safety measures have been taken here. All necessary precautions. The staff has been taken. Everything has been done right.
So talking about the USP of the place, what do you have to say?
The USP is shisha over here. After that, the herbal shisha is here. After the USP, the ambience is good. Mumbai, I have never seen a place like this. Especially the location of it. Thank you, Paul. Thank you for being the part of me. Could you please come here? मैम का मेरे लिए एक इंटरव्यू लो मेरे साथ में। थैंक यू मैम। एक मिनट, कौशल भाई किधर है? ये मैंडेटरी है भाई, इनके बिना मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ। थैंक यू मैम।
के लॉन्च पे पवई में क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कैसी लगी जगह?
एक्चुअली ऑरेंज मिंट जब थाना में खुला था, फर्स्ट लॉन्च इन थाना, तो उसी वक्त ऐसा लग रहा था कि ऐसा इस लॉन्च की कहीं ना कहीं फ्रेंचाइजी होनी चाहिए, और धीरे धीरे होते वो चेंबूर, वाशी ऐसी फ्रेंचाइजी हो गई थी। और जब मुझे पता चला कि ये पवई में भी हो रही तो मैं बहुत खुश हुआ, क्योंकि इस लॉन्च की खासियत ऐसी है कि इस लॉन्च की सर्विस, फूड क्वालिटी, मैंने आज तक जितने भी लॉन्च घुमा हूँ उससे बहुत बेहतरीन है। सबसे खास बात, इस ऑरेंज मिंट लॉन्च का जो स्टाफ है वो बहुत फ्रेंडली है, बहुत अच्छा है, और मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि इस ऑरेंज मिंट लॉन्च की वजह से पवई में एक अच्छी लॉन्च यहाँ के पब्लिक को मिली है। तो थैंक्स टू ऑरेंज मिंट लॉन्च एंड वेलकम द पवई पब्लिक। थैंक्स। या
अनिल सर के बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं ये।
Yes.
तो आपको जो भी सवाल करना है मैम।
मंगेश सर मेरे बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड नहीं, मेरे गुरु जैसे हैं। आई लर्न एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम हिम। जो भी मुझे सिखाते हैं मैं उनको फॉलो करता हूँ। इज़ लाइक अ मेंटर एंड इज़ अ वर्सटाइल एक्टर। आपने उनकी मूवीज़ देखी रहेंगी, जितनी भी आप देखेंगे आपको उनकी एक्टिंग के एवरी टाइम कुछ नया देखने मिलेगा। So I would ask all the viewers to go watch Mangesh sir's movie, and thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
You are here.
All the best.
Thank
all the
you.
best. All the best. All the best. Yes. Sure. Thank you.
Wishing Orange Mint and my brother Utkarsh
हाँ डाल दे बस भाई. Yeah, wishing Orange Mint a very warm welcome to the industry bar and lounge. My friend Utkarsh Sharma.
This is the fourth launch.
This is the fourth location. Now in Powai also, you guys can come and enjoy and have fun on Saturday night. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming here. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I love the updates things. I hope you love the ambience as well. Very worried about it, but I hope. This is so unlike Mumbai. How are you doing? So happy. Really thankful for your forum.
Come.
Well,
Let's have a picture. Let's have a picture first. Then we... Bro. Thank you. Can I give you a solo picture?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Certainly, as soon as you enter, you get a different. You and Prashant sir one picture. Upcountry Switzerland feel.
Yeah.
Can I have a picture with you, sir?
Yeah. Sure.
After that, please come. Now,
I am not as good looking or famous as you.
Come.
You come inside. It should be the same.
Last vertex से मिले थे हम लोग. We had a blast. Thank you. Rakesh, media might work.
All good.
Anil bhai.
Rakesh, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? You have Orange Mint today, with supreme, lovely weather, pandemic. We feel it's getting over. What do you have to say?
Which pandemic are we talking about? I think, wasn't it over? I thought it's over. This is so beautiful out here. If you guys change the camera angle, this is such a beautiful place. I really loved the ambience. I loved the uphill road that gets us here. This does not look like Bombay at all, and I'm so happy to be here. We are all very happy to see all of you all and everyone coming out of the tunnels, coming out of the houses and meeting everyone and getting back to life and celebrating life. It is such a happy feeling. I hope we are all safe and protected and happy and healthy, all of us, and let's all get back to life. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy to be here. All day lounge, right? This is so amazing. I'd like to come here in the afternoon also and see. This place looks beautiful, really beautiful. Let's see andar kaisa hai. So I wish them all the very best. I hope they do very well, and people come here and have a good time, spend nice days, nice evenings here, and go back happy, healthy and safe.
अच्छा मैं आपको कॉल करता हूँ एक मीडिया बाइट लेके. हाँ sorry. Yeah, good evening. Is it the launch, or I believe it's the launch? Okay. The name itself is very interesting. Orange is the color of autumn. Orange is the color of passion. It's the color of playfulness, joyfulness. Mint signifies excitement. I'm sure the name itself is so excitingly, the combined is so exciting. I'm coming here for the first time. I'm sure the combination of orange and mint is going to be a very interestingly different experience. I wish the owners a fantastic journey ahead. Thank you.
How are you? Come to you.
Yeah,
please.
Thank you.
His name is Orange Mint, no? Shisha.
Okay. You will ask something or? Yeah.
Okay.
Stick to it.
आज ऑरेंज में लॉन्च हो रहा है इतने प्राइम पवाई के लोकेशन में, क्या कहना चाहेंगे विशेष से?
Wow, it's a great feeling, and first of all, congratulations for this grand opening of Orange Mint. And Orange Mint is something which is so attractive from outside. I'm sure that people, whomsoever passing this area, will definitely get magnetized towards this.
Yeah, hi, I'm Piyush Chauhan, your Indian Shakira, and this is a very good ambience. And Orange Mint is, it's a rock because it's a feel like something different. It's a very nice, amazing.
Nice vibes, nice feel, nice environment, and nice
good
people
arrangements.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best. Take care. Thank you.
Done?
Sorry.
Ready? तो सर आज ऑरेंज मिंट लाउंज का लॉन्च है, इतना प्यारा एनवायरनमेंट है अंदर, इतना प्राइम लोकेशन है, क्या बोलना चाहिए इसके बारे में?
बेसिकली सबको हाय मेरी तरफ से, एंड उत्कर्ष ने जो ये काम किया एक्चुअली आज, सो बहुत अच्छा लॉन्च है. ओके, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. क्लब्स आजकल बहुत कॉम्पिटिशन्स में आ रहे हैं, सो मार्केट में इतने क्लब्स ओपन आना और उनके बीच में रहना कॉम्पिटिटर बन के, इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब. ओके, एंड ही इज़ डूइंग दैट. आई एक्चुअली सल्यूट हिम फॉर दैट. एंड आई नो हिम आई गेस फ्रॉम सिंस लाइक 4-5 years. 4-5 साल से मैं जानता हूँ उसको. सो ही इज़ बिन वर्किंग हार्ड डे इन डे आउट. तो उसका जैसे कॉल आया, मैंने बोला भाई ठीक है, आ जाएंगे. आपके लिए जान हाजिर है, ये तो सिर्फ लॉन्च है.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.